Now to a story you'll only see on CBS 6 tonight. A new report has found the hospital where Irvo Otieno was initially taken during a mental health crisis failed to give him the treatment he needed. Our Tyler Lane breaks down the findings of an investigation requested by the federal government and spoke exclusively to Otieno's family today. Tyler?
Well, Bill, before Irvo Otieno died while in custody, police brought him to Parham Doctors Hospital, which has a crisis receiving center. However, according to an investigative report that we obtained, the hospital failed to stabilize Otieno's crisis. His mother now tells me had they done so, she believes things would have ended much differently.
They failed him. They simply failed Irvo.
That's how Caroline O'Cup sums up this report, looking into how HCA's Henrico Doctors Hospital at Parham Road handled her son, Irvo Otieno, when he was in their care just days before his death.
This was the precursor of everything that happened to my son. I know it began right there, being denied to see him at Henrico Doctors Hospital.
On March 3rd, Henrico police placed Otieno under an emergency custody order as he was in a mental health crisis, and they brought him to Henrico Doctors, which has a crisis receiving center.
I was told that Henrico would be the place because they are specialized. You know, they're specialized in dealing with patients in a mental crisis. Very ironic.
In response to a complaint, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services asked the Virginia Department of Health to complete an investigation into whether the hospital complied with federal regulations. The findings obtained by Melissa Hippolyte through a public records request show that facility staff failed to give Otieno the necessary stabilizing treatment after he was presented to the emergency department with an emergency medical condition.
Why wasn't he given medication and stabilized? And make sure that he does not leave the hospital until he's stable.
While there, the report says that Otieno was extremely angry, agitated, and bizarre, and showing aggressive, combative behavior. Staff gave him an antipsychotic medication and Benadryl. However, the effects of those drugs wore off in less than an hour. An emergency care doctor ordered more medications, but the report states that Otieno assaulted a Henrico police officer while drugs were being administered by clawing, hitting, kicking, and spitting at the officer. The police then informed staff they were going to arrest him and take him to jail.
And from that point, everything went downhill for my son.
According to the report, the doctor felt the facility could not control Otieno's behavior in the emergency department, but investigators determined that hospital staff failed to demonstrate that they stabilized Otieno's condition within the capabilities of their facility. It says he never saw a psychiatrist before being discharged back to Henrico Police. Otieno then spent a full weekend sitting in Henrico Jail West before he was transferred to Central State Hospital and died in the custody of sheriff's deputies and hospital staff on March 6th. The fatal chain of events, his mother says, all started back at the hospital.
All they did for my son was to create a path, for him to be vacuumed in the criminal system.
And we reached out to HCA Healthcare for a response. A spokesperson sent a brief statement saying the hospital was working collaboratively with the Department of Health and has submitted a corrective action plan. The health department tells me that plan is still under review. I'm Tyler Lane for CBS 6.